this is Cheeseco, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're gonna be doing a tiny volcano, and it's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Let me fix the camera so you can see. Okay, so let me find the directions. You always want to follow the directions, except for when you know what you're doing, like in that last video. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we have to... Okay. Pour vinegar and baking soda into the volcano chamber and watch it erupt. Okay. So we need to pour this vinegar into there. Oh! Wow. Yeah. I have everything set up for a video and then everything goes wrong. Always happens. Alright, I got some vinegar right here. Right here. Hello, kitty. This is my kitty. I showed him in the Show Off Your Pets. His name is Science. Deep, 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 deep. We're doing science right now. Science? Go. Okay, so this might end up a little bit messy. But let's hope for the best. No. No, kitty. He's still a kitten. He's not even 6 months old yet, so gotta cut him some slack. Alright, that should be enough, I think. I hope this doesn't end bad. Oh, this is it. Is this even open yet? There we go. Oh, we gotta use the other one. Oh, we can only shake it. Wait, can we open it though? There we go. If you don't know what happens when baking soda and vinegar come together, you're about to find out. I'm going to move everything out of the way so you can get the best view. 3, 2, 1. I don't think there's enough vinegar in there. Oh! Look at that! It's erupting! It's a mini volcano! Some more in there. Whoa! Look at that! Look at that! It's our very own bubble erupting volcano. Now let's do something really fun. Oh no, it's overflowing. Oh no, it's over. Please don't overflow. Okay. I have a mess to clean up now. Okay. Table to wipe down. But other than that, that should be fine. So as always, I'll show you how this works, because this is a kind of educational one. But oh, and I'm sorry about I forgot to make some videos. I went back to school this week, and so I've been really busy. So I got a chance today. Okay, so let me read to you how this works. The baking soda is a base while the vinegar is an acid. So the vinegar is like, vinegar is like an acid, and yeah. When they react together, they form water and carbon dioxide, which creates all the fizzing as it escapes the solution. Right. Did you know volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface? Volcanoes are usually located where I can never pronounce this word. Tectonic plates meet. Hot liquid rock hot liquid rock under the Earth's surface is known as magma. It is called lava after it comes out of a volcano. I'm sure you all knew that, but I thought I'd read it just in case you don't. Alright, so in the next video we're going to grow some crystals. It's going to be fun. Check on them every video. And so, I'll show you. I don't know what to do next. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Say bye, kitty. Come on, kitty. Come on, kitty. Kitty. Come here. There you are. Say bye.